Okay, now he'll push them to you. Yeah, now that's right. Yeah. Now this side. Yeah, that's right.
Good boy.
He is responsive to that stick.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy. Is that okay? Poor sheep.
Poor Kathy.
Well, do you want to do another dog and then bring him back for a few more minutes? Let him think about it for a minute. Doesn't hurt. I mean, I don't care either way.
Stopped and two fed him.
What's that?
That's why he's doing that. One of them just stopped and two fed him.
Well, it's probably telling him he got in too close.
This one right here, see how they're challenging him? That's why he's doing that. So should I break it off now?
Yeah, you can do that, yeah.
He's
Well,
not
see,
done.
That was all right.
He's not done.
Now block him on the one side again, so he doesn't. When he comes through now, stick the thing up that side. Yeah, that's right. I think I've seen lots worse than that for starting.